was that, Chickie? I heard somebody hooting. Yeah, well, I'm inside watching you. Mom and Daddy are out there, very close by. I wanted to film you instead of them right now. I love the little heart shape on your face. Chick has been inside a good while today. Just came back out. Snapping his beak. I might have to sneak out. Oh, there's another wing behind him I can see. Somebody's sticking a wing right behind him. It's at least one other chick. Hi. Oh. This is probably my favorite few days of the year when all of this happens. And last year we didn't have chicks. So I'm very thrilled to have this little batch of chicks now.